The sky is barely awake, but here on the tarmac, we're already moving. Coffee's brewing, safety vests are on. We are the ramp eyes, and we're about to wrangle a whole lot of metal birds. First up, a pre-flight ballet. Bags, cargo, catering, it all gets loaded with military precision. These planes ain't going nowhere without us. The air is crisp, the engines roar to life, and the smell of jet fuel hangs heavy. It's a symphony of controlled chaos. We're a tight-knit crew. We got each other's backs always. It's like a well-oiled machine, everyone knowing their part. Safety is paramount. Every move is deliberate. One wrong step, and it's not just luggage at stake, it's lives. The sun climbs higher, so does the tempo. Planes are landing every few minutes. It's a carefully choreographed dance of guiding planes, connecting jet bridges, and unloading passengers eager to stretch their legs. Then, the weather throws a curveball. A sudden snowstorm. Time for Plan B. De-icing trucks roll out, spraying a protective layer onto wings and tails. It's a race against the clock, and we're on the front lines, battling the elements to keep those flights on schedule. As the day winds down, the tarmac is bathed in a golden glow. The air is calmer now, the pace a little slower. We steal a moment to catch our breath, share a laugh, and admire the sky painted in hues of orange and purple. Even in this brief respite, there's a sense of anticipation for the night shift. The tarmac takes on a different energy under the stars. The darkness brings its own rhythm. The roar of engines is replaced by the quiet hum of ground equipment. Refueling trucks snake around planes like fireflies, their hoses pumping lifeblood into metal giants. Tow trucks, our trusty steeds, move aircraft with surgical precision. It's a delicate dance in the dark, demanding unwavering focus. We communicate with hand signals, our voices barely whispers in the stillness. This is the unseen world of the tarmac. It's tough, it's demanding, but it's rewarding. We keep the world moving one flight at a time. Want to see what it takes? Come walk a mile in our steel-toed boots. Join the ramp eyes.